At UNITAR, we work for peaceful coexistence around the world. We understand the challenges experienced by those working for peace, especially in the field when it comes to obtaining additional advanced training. Based on the 4 A's of availability, accessibility, acceptability, and adaptability, our academic programs support the fundamental goal of reaching the farthest first and leaving no one behind. Now you can be part of the innovative training approach that enables and inspires great minds and hearts to bring about sustainable change.